Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete and disable search suggestions in Google Chrome, along with clearing your Chrome search history. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, we'll begin by disabling search suggestions to prevent Chrome from automatically suggesting searches based on your previous activity. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is Chrome's menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize your browsing experience. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Google Services section. Click on it to access options related to how Chrome interacts with Google services. This is where you can control various features that affect your search experience and privacy. Now, within Google Services, you'll see two important toggle buttons that control search suggestions. Look for the options labeled Make Searches and Browsing Better and Improve Search Suggestions. Click the toggle button next to each of these options to turn them off. Disabling these settings will prevent Chrome from using your search history to generate personalized suggestions, giving you more privacy when you browse and search. With search suggestions now disabled, it's time to clear your existing search history. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Privacy and Security from this menu. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your browsing data and control what information Chrome stores. Within Privacy and Security, look for and click on Delete Browsing Data. This will open a new window that shows you different types of data you can remove from Chrome. You'll see various checkboxes for different categories of browsing information. Make sure to check the checkbox next to Browsing History. This ensures that your search history and visited pages will be deleted. Once you've confirmed that browsing history is selected, click the Delete Data button to proceed. Chrome will now remove your search history, clearing out all those previous searches and suggestions. And that's it! You've successfully disabled search suggestions and cleared your Chrome search history, giving you a fresh start with improved privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.